So as the world moves forward to digitally transform, businesses are looking for simpler ways to implement ideas digitally. They call them low-code or no-code platforms. Salesforce just happens to be one of them. Sure, the stock ticker says CRM, but it's so much more than a CRM. It really is a platform. Take a manufacturer, for example, who has Salesforce, and they track their leads and their opportunities and their quotes and their orders. It doesn't have to stop there. We see so many manufacturers building records for warehouses, inventory transactions if ERP doesn't already capture it, or invoices and payments. It's really simple in Salesforce to set up these objects, so we call it, put some fields there and relate them together, and by doing that, have the reporting capability to go with it. Think simply as you're digitally transforming, and remember that Salesforce has the power to do that. Before you go off spending money on lots of applications, keep it simple and good luck in your digital transformation journey.